Hello, you are welcome to Goze's Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this simple and delicious light chicken soup. And if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Goze's Kitchen so you don't miss any of my simple and delicious recipes. For the ingredients that we are going to be using, I'm going to have them listed under the description, but to quickly go over them, I have chicken cutlets. You can use any chicken of your choice, but this is chicken wings cutlets. So I have onion, I have shallots, carrots, ginger, turmeric, I have black pepper, I have chicken bouillon, I have broccoli ribs and dill for seasoning and flavor. I have olive oil, salt, soy sauce, to work with. Yeah, to start cooking, I have my pot heated up and I'm adding some olive oil, and I'm also going to start adding the chicken to start frying. I'm adding some sweet onion and shallot onion, and I'm going to continue to fry this chicken until it's like light brown. I'm adding fresh dill seasoning. This dill is very intense. It has an intense, delicious taste and flavor. So you can incorporate this in your cooking. I'm adding habanero pepper for heat, but if you cannot take it, just eliminate that. So now cover this chicken to cook down to your choice. I love to cook my own down to tender, but see if you like it medium, you just allow it to cook down to your choice. So right now I'm going to be adding the broccoli rabe vegetable, but you can use any other vegetables of your choice. Here I'm going to be adding more dill seasoning for more intense flavor. Yes, our light chicken soup is ready. We can see how easy and simple and loaded this light chicken soup is, and we can enjoy it with rice. We can just enjoy it on its own, just like that. Yes, for this one, I'm going to be serving this one with some white rice. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gozi's Kitchen, and share it to someone else who you think might love it. And let me know under the comment section if you love chicken soup, and let me know how you are going to make yours too. And I want to thank you for watching this video. Watch more videos on my channel, and see you in my next. Remain blessed. Bye for now. Bye bye.